All right. What is the shelf life of canned goods that I have put up myself?
So it's about a year, and it doesn't mean that if you say you can something January 1st, it doesn't mean that the next January 1st rolls around and it's going to immediately go bad. It just starts to lose freshness. And what this year date is good to keep in mind is making sure that you're using those items. So, and you are kind of rotating your stock essentially. So if you have, say you canned a whole bunch of peaches from like a peach truck type situation, you want to make sure you're using those peaches before you can more, or that you're using those peaches that you canned a year ago first.
Now, those you spoke about, extending that past that 1 year mark. If you're getting in that 14, 18, 24 month time period, again, it's not necessarily the things are going bad. They are going to get potentially tougher in
Right.
texture and chew.
And something like jam could get kind of boozy.
Right.
It can ferment.
Even
especially
juices.
Even juices. We had strawberry jam, and I think it was probably 13 months after we had made it, and
It wasn't no more than a year and a half at most.
Right. And it was like, it smelled like wine or something. So yeah, definitely that's one thing. It's not necessarily going to make you sick or anything like that as long as you are using safe canning practices, but it's also not where sometimes when you buy canned good, it'll say like expires in 2028, 2029. At this point, you don't want to go towards that 3-year mark. You want to stay within,
First
a
in,
year.
first out.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.